Hi, I'm Haozhen Weixin from Winfuture. Today I want to introduce our N8n automation service for sales and business operations. At Winfuture, we help companies build practical N8n workflows that automate repetitive sales tasks, improve lead management, and make the whole pipeline easier to track and scale. Many sales teams are still spending too much time on manual work. They search for leads manually, they copy customer information into spreadsheets, they check websites one by one. They write outreach emails manually, they forget follow-ups, they update CRM records by hand, and managers still need to ask the team for progress reports. These tasks may look small, but together they slow down the entire sales process. That's where our N8n automation service comes in. We help businesses design and build customized workflows for different stages of the sales cycle. For example, we can automate lead prospecting. The workflow can collect potential customer information based on your target market, industry, location, or keywords. It can gather company names, websites, phone numbers, emails, ratings, social links, and other useful business data. Then we can help you automate lead cleaning and qualification. The system can remove duplicates, filter out low-quality leads, check whether a company has a valid website, and decide whether the lead matches your ideal customer profile. We can also build workflows for email outreach and follow-up. Instead of preparing every email from scratch, the system can help generate personalized outreach messages based on the customer's business, industry, and website information. You can also remind your sales team when a lead needs to be followed up, so opportunities are not lost because of delayed communication. Another important area is CRM and pipeline management. With N8n, we can connect tools like Google Sheets, Gmail, Outlook, Airtable, Notion, HubSpot, Pipedrive, and other platforms. New leads can be added automatically. Customer status can be updated automatically. Follow-up records can be logged automatically. And stale deals can trigger reminders for your team. This helps your sales process become more organized, more visible, and easier to manage. Our implementation process is simple. First, we analyze your current workflow and identify automation opportunities. Second, we design a customized N8n automation plan. Third, we build and connect the workflow with your existing tools. Fourth, we test the workflow to make sure the data, triggers, and outputs are accurate. Finally, we deploy it and show your team how to use it. The goal is very clear. Help your team reduce repetitive work, improve follow-up consistency, keep CRM data cleaner, make pipeline management easier, and give your business a more scalable sales operations system.